I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you that commented on my video when I lost my job. I think the best thing and the one thing I really love about YouTube is the community and the community spirit, especially in the biking community. A lot of you, you know, picked me up, and a lot of you kicked my ass, and that's what I needed really, was a bit of inspiration to decide what I'm going to do next. So being 53, I have found it incredibly hard to find employment, so I made the decision that I'd become self-employed as a sole trader. So the job that I lost as an event manager, overseeing all sorts of automotive events, from doing the live wire bike launch in Barcelona to looking after BYD, the electric cars, for pretty much most of last year, doing all sorts of shows, from Goodwood to British Motor Show, Carfest, you name it. Last year I seemed to be on everything, and it was a big shock to lose that job. But what I decided to do was become a freelance event manager, as well as do a bit of testing. So I'm back at Myra. I got my track pass last week, renewed that. I'm back at Myra doing a little bit of testing in motorbikes, part-time, cars, lorries, you name it. Whatever I'm required to do as a multi-licensed vehicle tester, which is how I started in the first place. It is a little bit slow, and the jobs are coming in, but they're coming in slowly but surely. I have an event in a week's time, which is Everything Electric London, and I'm event manager for that. That's 11 days work. And I gotta say, it's just re-energised my passion for life, really. You know, that I'm not gonna be kicked, and I'm not gonna let life kick me in the balls. I'm gonna pick myself up and I'm gonna get on with life. And that's a big thanks to a lot of you out there that commented on my last video, that inspired me. Do you know what? I might be down, but I'm not out. So, today, I am in the beautiful Brecons. This is my office for the day because I am working today. It's just a beautiful place to work. So, what am I doing? Well, today I have the pleasure of running in this 2025 Honda Flyblade SP. I gotta say, what a bike. You know, mentally, I absolutely bloody love it. You do have to have one thing though in abundance, and that is self-restraint, I'm gonna say, because oh my God, what a machine this is. So as you can see, there's a lot of black tape on certain parts, and that's just to keep any scuffs or scratches that my boots might make. So this is today's job. So I've had to put 600 miles on it. I think I'm on, what are we on now? Let's have a look, shall we? So I've done 446 miles. I have to get this bike to 600 before I take it back. But it's just nice to be back. It's nice to be smiling, it's nice to be happy. And it's nice to be back doing a job that I love, which is both the jobs that I loved, which I suppose is a bonus. The risky thing is I'm now self-employed, I'm a sole trader. Can I keep the work coming in? Can I keep sustaining that? Well, the honest answer to that is I don't know. But unless I give it a go, I'll never know. So I'm going to crack on. I'm going to do some miles. Like I say, it's just a thank you to all you subscribers and non-subscribers out there that commented on the video where I felt like life had kicked me in the balls, and you managed to pick me up, you managed to inspire me to actually do something about it. So, as I say, a big thank you. Give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see the review for this beautiful Honda Fireblade SP 25 plate, and when that video comes up, have a watch, let me know what you think. As ever, leave your comments below. I always love conversing with you all. What can I say? But I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Stay safe out there. Never ride faster than your angel can fly, especially on a Fireblade.
Oh, that induction noise is just addictive. What a machine this is.